I'm Pastor Ndumiso Dlamini from Mangcongco ICBC, which started at 2014. So it's been a while. So as we were starting, we were in another homestead from Katlope. So where we started as a home cell. So we started there in a house in Rondaville. So saqhubeka kakude kufike i-Pottersville si-supporte with building of the church. So we are grateful kakhulu because we're used to go down that tree to worship when they have given us the place to worship. So it was not easy, but through the help of the Pottersville, we are now worshiping in a closed house, so we are grateful.
Ngingimake Vuyisile Phala endzaweni yasekuthuleni enkundleni yakuMangcongco. Ngakhethwa ku-Asakheni Support Group e-Work by Faith Ministry. Shokuthi sibukete emangweni bantfu laba ngakaphatheki kahle esimeni sempilo.
Mina ngiSibongile ngokaNhlapho lapha ekhaya lokuba khona abafundisi bakhona kaNhlapho ekhaya. Siyajabula kakhulu ngebhayifesi, iyasisita, siyathandaza kutane nalokudla-ke nasekufikile. Umfundisi uyasinika, uyasikhulekela, usinika umkhuleko. Nalamakhaya uyasihlola, asithandazele. Thina bogogo lethi sehlulekile nangokuhamba nenhlupheko ibhokile, kodwa umfundisi Dlamini uyasizama Nkosi yami. Siyakubonga lokhu enkosini yethu Jesu Kristu yaseNazaretha.
Sibonge kakhulu nekubambisana naleli sondo lelifikile lamangweni wethu lata silekelela kulabo labakhubatekile noma labahluphekile nalabo labanzinzile emangweni wethu. Laphindze lasibuthela nalaba bantwana labancane. Siyabonga kakhulu nje kubambisana nalo lifike lamangweni wethu litosakhela inhlalakahle nakubantu nasesiveni.
Sibonga kakhulu kuwo onke ama-partners lasisitako towards lama-rice packs nakho konke nje. We are so grateful because it goes a long way.